Good morning, viewers. Now we are going to discuss about the topic is relational model in database management system. What is relational database? Relational database is used to define the relationship between the uh, data into the particular table. The data is represented in the form of tables. The attributes of the given table in the attributes of the given table that are related to the each other by using the type of what type of relations we have to relate the data. This concept is proposed by EF Cod 1970. It is used in a data model. The relational data model. Relational model is a collection of relations. Each relation has a table with rows and columns. Data manipulation is done using a relational operations. We can specify the collection of relations into the particular table. The table is nothing but a rows and columns. By using a relational operations, such as sum, additions, multiplication, Cartesian product, join operation, union operations, in that relational operations to ensure data integrity and consistency. The relation. What is relation? Relation is a table that is collection of rows and columns. Each relation has a unique name. Its columns represent attributes. Columns represents attribute. Its rows represent tuples. Example, student table. The student table name is a student. Attributes is a student number, roll number, and then name, student name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total average. These are the attributes as well as column in that particular relation student. Tuple. Tuple is a single row in a relation. Each row is called as a one record. When the record is called as a tuple. Tuple is a record. The collection of tuples represents one record of each table. That is 101 Ravi CSE 20. These are the values in that particular student table. 101 is a roll number, Ravi is a student name, CSE is a department, and 20 is a mark. Each tuple is a unique relation. Each tuple is a unique relation. Tuple is a ordered tuples, unordered tuples, n number of tuples, logical tuples, composite tuples, physical tuples, homogeneous and heterogeneous tuples. Attributes is a column in a relation. It represents the property of an entity. Each attribute has a unique name and data type. Example, student ID, name and department. There are different type of attributes are there. Composite attribute, single attribute, composite attribute, multi-valued attribute, key value attribute, derived attribute, single valued attribute. The attribute has a only one single value is called as a single value attribute. Attribute has a many number of value is called as a multi-value attribute. For example, if your age is a age is a composite attribute. Composite attributes is a collection of values from the range, starting range to ending range. Key value attributes is a each value has a unique value. That unique value is called as a key attribute. Key, it may be a primary key or foreign key. Student number is a key attribute. Derived attribute. Based on that one attribute, you have to derive the another attribute. Another one attribute, we can derive the another information. That attribute is called as a derived attribute. Simple attribute is called as a very single values. Domain. Domain is a set of valid values for an attribute. Domain. It defines the type and range of value. Age is a integer and name is a character string. Relations. Each tuple has a number of rows and number of columns. Order of rows and order of columns. It can be any order. Each cell contains a atomic value or single value. All the values in the column to the same domain. Relational schema. In that relational model, specify the structure of the relation. The structure of the relation specify the relation name, attributes name, and then attributes is a column name, and then what the data type have been used in the particular relation. For example, student relation, attributes is a ID, name, department, age. These are the attributes. Data type is a ID is a student ID is a integer, name is a student name, department CSE, and age. Diagram, relational schema, user and then block. Diagram to relational schema, user ID, name and email is add block. The block contains ID, title, body and then user ID. Schema versus instances. We define a new database, specify the database schema, DBMS catalog. It's collection of databases. The collection of databases, initial state to empty state to initial state. First we have to load the data. After that, any updation is there, we have to update the data to ensure data integrity and consistency. It's a valid state. It's a after that update operations. Initial state, the DBMS database, initial state to update state can be changed. There are many advantages of data model. Data relational model is a data integrity, atomicity, data recovery, and simple model. A high security. Structural independence. It improved conceptual simplicity. It earlier database design, easier to implement. Its a query processing has been needed and is a powerful database. If you are handling a very large database, it's a poor design and implementation. It provider stands for information procedure. Is some of the assessment in the relational data model. Relational data model is a type of relations. It is a collection of rows and columns. Each row contains a record and the columns contains attributes. Thank you.
Yeah.